When you look into how to purchase a domain name, you'll realize that it's best to purchase your domain name at the same place you buy your hosting. Great domain names are available for the taking. There are 5 steps to a great domain name. 1. Don't make the mistake of choosing a trash hosting service for your new site. No domain can overcome that. Get quality hosting with 99% uptime and free apps and website builders built into the service just waiting to be used for your new website. A link for 70% off the best hosting service is in the description below. 2. Plan out your domain name to represent your brand and appeal to your target audience. 3. Make sure your domain uses words that pertain to your business so your domain implies what your business does. Doing this tips off customers to what you sell and sets them on the path to buy early on. 4. Use a thesaurus to help you come up with alternate words you may not have thought of. You can usually come up with some nifty, unique ideas that way. And 5. Remember to incorporate high traffic keywords into your domain name choice. This will help with future marketing efforts. Use the keyword research tool listed in the description below to identify highly searched keyword candidates and check out the hosting link below also.